Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dx. Next, we have sy. So this one, we have the rate number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. This one we have number 1. So we have dv over dx multiplied by s. This one we have number 1. So we have the s over the s with v. This is about the product rule of the derivative. And we know that the s over the s, that is about number 1. And now we can simplify like this. So y we change for vs. This one, that is about this one. Now we need to simplify s for the both sides. Next, I will put this one go to the right. Next, we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put v go to the right, and we have negative v. Next, we can do common denominator. Now, we need to expand this one and this one. So now we have like this. Then we combine two fractions together. Now we have like this. So I will put this one go to the left, dx and s go to the right. So we have like this. Next, I will put this one go to the left. So we just finished about rewrite this equation in the separate. And this is the final answer we need to write in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.